So this garden was originally designed 15 years ago, and the clients wanted a real subtropical feel for it, with large lawn running through the property, and that's basically what they did for 15 years. So they decided they wanted to plant it all. We came up with a scheme that they'd create this little urban garden. So what we did is plant a few major trees, some sort of lower shrubbery that would grow up quickly, and then drifts of ground cover throughout.
When I came in, there were a few things that we felt needed tweaking. We introduced some new plants. The shade has actually created more opportunity for other plants to thrive.
We removed the porous soil which was there for the lawn, and basically had to put back more nutrient-rich soil, and then a forest floor mulch on top of it to give it a natural look, but also to obviously retain the moisture in the soil.
After 5 years, you can get a sense of kind of what's responding well to the environment and well to the land. And one thing we noticed as we were digging into the soil is just the incredible network of mycelium and the ecology that was under the soil, happening below our feet.
So this is now 5 years old. It's starting to come into its own. Quite a special feel when you're in it. It's not a forest in terms of dense, shaded. It's actually very light and spacious. What the Garden Design Fest does give to the general public is the fact that they can actually come on site into gardens that previously you can't see a lot of from the street.
I'm looking forward to seeing the other designers' gardens, but I can only speak to ours, and they are both very special, and we've worked on them together.
I think people who open up their houses and their gardens for visitors and share them are just very generous people. It's great.